Welcome back to, wait, what? Beer and real estate? So excited to show you our new listing at 402 Watson Street, unit number 3. As you can see behind me, gorgeous sweeping ocean views, some of the best in Monterey. What I love about this home is it boasts 2 separate upstairs balcony as well as a ground level balcony. So plenty of outdoor space. But if you feel like going out, Alvarado is just a few steps away, where you can grab one of my favorite local beers, the Mai Tai PA from Alvarado Brewery. This beer launched Alvarado Street Brewery onto the main stage of the craft brew scene. The tropical notes in this beer pair wonderfully with being able to just ride straight down to the beach on a nice summer day, hang out with some friends, and of course, go to the brewery itself and grab one fresh off the draft. Fantastic food as well. Everything you're looking for in terms of nightlife is right at your doorstep. This home is absolutely perfect for somebody looking to plant some roots here in Monterey, as well somebody looking for a little vacation getaway. So come on in to 402 Watson. We would love to show you around. Give us a call. Cheers.